Namaskaram, Namaste, and welcome on board on this beautiful journey of learning Carnatic music. Much to the delight and ease of us students, this is a structured and a systematic learning journey with very well planned exercises put together by our founding gurus to take students from beginner to advanced levels. Similar to learning the English language, where we start with learning the alphabets, progress to then forming words, further progress to then being able to construct grammatically correct sentences, and finally even using our own creativity and imagination to write our own stories or compositions. Very similarly, the Carnatic music learning journey is structured very systematically. We start with learning the swaras through various exercises or varisais, namely the Sarali Varisai, Janta Varisai, Dhatu Varisai, and the Aparsthai Varisai, followed by learning the Geetams, where we learn how to string the various swarams together to form melody and be able to sing that melody along with words or sahitya attached to it. And similarly, we slowly progress to finally being able to use our own creativity and imagination to form our own music, which is Manodharmam singing. The very first exercise that we will start with is the Sarali Varisai or the Swaravali Varisai. Sarali means simple. Varisai is a string of swaras or a sequence of swaras. Alternatively, the Swaravali Varisai, which is swara, a musical note, and avali, a sequence of swaras strung together. This is the introductory lesson in Carnatic music. It is typically taught in Maya Malava Gaulai, which is a parent ragam or a Melakarta ragam, and it is the 15th Melakarta ragam. The Sarali Varisai has been composed by Saint Purandaradasa, who is also known as the father of Carnatic music, and set to Adi Taalam or Chatushra Jati Adi Taalam, which is an 8-beat Taalam. The Sarali Varisais are set to Chatushra Jati Adi Taalam, which has 8 counts. It has a Chatushra Jati Laghu, which goes as 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by 2 dhritams, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the entire Taalam goes as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the Chatushra Jati Adi Taalam, which has 8 counts. Here are the key learning goals or learning outcomes from learning the Sarali Varisai. Firstly, it helps us tune our ear to the Shruti and sing in sync with the Shruti. Secondly, it trains us and trains our brain to identify each swara and sing it in its right sthanam or position. Thirdly, it trains us to be able to accurately recall and sing the swaras, both when singing them in sequence but also recalling them at random. Fourthly, it helps us sing in line with a beat or a taalam. Lastly, singing each varisai in all 3 speeds and both as swaram and akaram gives our voice immense training to make it flexible and malleable to sing more difficult pieces and compositions in Carnatic music in future. Well, there are several other benefits, both tangible and intangible benefits of singing the Sarali Varisai, and it's not just a beginner lesson but a form of practice that is very handy even for advanced practitioners of Carnatic music.